This is a crazy man, 69. We're going to be playing the Siegfried or Siegfried, the German Premium Tier 7 Battlecruiser. This ship is like the Gneisenau on Slim Fast. No armor. But it is much better than the Gneisenau because I played one game with this and I did very well. I'm overall impressed with this ship. Am I good with the battlecruiser? No. But doesn't mean you're not going to be good with it. Somebody with a is really good with battlecruisers are going to be, they're going to do amazing with this ship. We're going to go into a game and I'm going to show you some of the things you can do. I didn't go over the stats. I apologize for that. But like I say in my other videos, win or lose, I don't care. I prefer to win, but you can never count on your teammates. But there's times you get those teammates, you're like, oh my God, I wish I could keep them. But this ship, it's got great speed, great maneuverability. The reload is only 26 seconds. It's not my kind of ship. It's good, don't get me wrong. I'm actually really impressed with it. But with somebody who's good with battlecruisers, will do amazing with this ship. Let's see what's on the other line. Team. Helen. Yeah. This is going to be a good match. Team seems pretty even.
Let's give them a hard time.
Okay, I'm over here. So what do I want to do? I want to change it to this for now. You got 3 heals with 55,000 hit points. Now, I was being a smart ass. I put a hide on here. And I actually got the hit points up higher with 4 heals. So you can definitely, but it did not change the reload time. It did not change the speed on the ship. Nothing. I'm going to slow down here. I am going to try to camp a little bit. It's not my forte. And here's another asshole who's thinking the same thing, but can't be mad at him because he's thinking the same thing. Let's see if I can set a fire here. The Helen's right there. I totally missed that. It was my aim. And yeah, he is definitely, I want to see if I can hit him. Oh shit, I didn't see that asshole. And there goes the Nelson. I hope my Torps can pass him. If not, okay, it did. I did hit him. No, this ship just got great speed.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard.
Yeah, I'm going to go back to armor piercing. I'm going to try to do something here. These guns are very big.
Fighter returning to concentrate fire on the designated target.
Now I'm getting some hits. The Nelson is actually going to throw away his ship, but I don't understand how stupid you are. He's actually pushing.
Torpedoes to starboard.
That Nelson's out of my reach, but I don't want to go out there when there's a destroyer close by. There's a Leon. Let's see if I can punch him. Let's test the armor piercing in this. Now I'm going to go forward a little bit. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely could do some damage with armor piercing in this. I'm going to do armor piercing one more time, and then I'm going to switch it over to the HE. Wow. Look at that hit. 11,000 damage. I'm telling you, this battlecruiser is amazing. I'm not going to lie about it. With the right person, it will wreck the shit out of a team. Okay, got too close to that island. I think I did better with the armor piercing on that bastard. But yeah, I'm taking a chunk out of him.
Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes astern.
All right, okay, I did catch a fire on him. He is burning. I am going to start moving my ship out of the way of those torpedoes. There's a Nelson. Now, I got to be careful of him. And here, I kind of went stupid, retard mode. I am going to try to set him on fire, switch it to AP. This thing will wreck another battlecruiser. If it could do mass amount of damage with AP and HE, this thing will wreck. And he just shot shit at me. That's fine. I'm not worried about it. I got this. Now I'm backing it up. Just lucky I didn't get the full salvo on him, but I did get that much. I'm going to start pushing up here because let's just face it, my two threats are gone. Wow, that was bullshit. So now I am going to move this where I can start flying. This time, I should hit him. That is still a good salvo. This is only my second time playing this ship, and like I said, I'm very impressed with it. You guys, whoever plays this ship is going to love this ship. This ship is going to be your baby. Now that was
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
salvo. But still at 50,000, pretty damn good. This thing does got speed. That Helen is not going to last. Like I said, it's not going to last. That's armor piercing. This ship will fucking delete your ass. Now, bad points of this ship. If you're broadside to a battleship and he sees you, you're done with the game because he's going to delete you. There is no armor to this. I am actually shooting AP out of a battlecruiser. Another 5,000. This thing is going to wreck this team. And I've had 2 good games. This is my second time using the ship, and I'm already done really well with it. It's got the same guns as the Gneisenauer has, so it will punch you. Oh, he's a pissant. I have heal. I'm not worried. He goes broadside, he's going to be done. Now they do bounce, so I'm actually going to go after this Yoko Azuna. I'm going to let them burn him down because he's almost dead anyways. Fuck him. And I'm just going to punch this son of a bitch right in his cocksucker. If I don't get deleted because I just got stupid.
Under airborne.
Totally 83,000 damage. Now I still got 1 health left. And this guy's just fucking dumb. I'm not the brightest person, but yeah, this thing will delete a battleship. We win. I'm telling you, this ship is amazing. You will love it. You will do good by it. Let's see here. Finish at 86,000 damage. 1 citadel. Targets hit 41. Not bad. Incapitations 2. 2 destroyed. 1 fire. Let's look at the economy. 156,800. I made my money back. Came second on the leaderboard. I have a lot of tier 7s. Am I going to keep this ship? No. I am going to delete it. I'm going to sell it. But, like I said, I got a lot of tier 7s. And that being said, you guys might like this ship, and you're going to, if I could do good with that ship, you're going to do amazing with this ship. I will promise you, if you're good with a battlecruiser, this is going to be your baby. You're going to fuck people up. I will not argue on this ship. It's a great battlecruiser. It's not me, but anyways, if you like what I'm doing, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to me, and I'll see you on the next video.